On a personal level, it's been transformative. I've gained a level of confidence that I didn't have coming into this. 5 years ago, I started my art business professionally. I failed. Um, Back to full-time work now, starting again through AIB. And the reason I failed is because I didn't have a business plan. I have a business plan now. And that's where we start in this program. So that was key. It's 180 from the program I was in before, and it makes sense now. I found my why as an artist through the sales call practices. I learned that it's about service. It's not about sales. Sales come if we learn how to serve people. And that I discovered through this program. That was pretty powerful. One of the reasons I was inspired to do this was one of your case studies or examples is there was a mom of, I think, 3 kids, maybe more, who worked full or part-time, who made the jump into full-time art through AIB. And I thought to myself, if she can do it, I can do it. That gave me some faith in that it was going to be worth doing.